That monthly maintenance fee on your Bank of America account can feel like a nuisance. But what if I told you could easily avoid it? Today, we're uncovering the simple ways to waive that fee and keep more money in your pocket. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. BoA doesn't just charge you for no reason. They give you clear paths to avoid the fee. It all comes down to meeting just one of a few key requirements. The most common way is through a qualifying direct deposit. For most accounts, this means having a single deposit of $250 or more from your employer or the government each statement cycle. Another popular method is maintaining a minimum daily balance. The amount varies by account, but if you can keep a certain cushion in your account at all times, the fee is waived. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: link your accounts. If you have a BoA savings account or a Merrill Edge investment, for many people to qualify without changing their cash flow. So, just like that, you have the knowledge to dodge that monthly charge. A little strategy goes a long way. Which method to avoid the fee works best for your situation? The direct deposit, or the minimum balance? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.